Rain at Night by Helen Hoyt. Read for LibriVox.org by Corey Samuel. Are you awake? Do you hear the rain? How rushingly it strikes upon the ground, and on the roof, and the wet window panel. Sometimes I think it is a comfortable sound, making us feel how safe and snug we are, closing us off in this dark, away from the dark outside. The rest of the world seems dim tonight, mysterious and far. Oh, there is no world left, only darkness, darkness stretching wide and full of the blind rain's immeasurable fall. How nothing must we seem unto this ancient thing, how nothing unto the earth, and we so small. Oh, wake, wake, do you not feel my hands cling? One day it will be raining as it rains tonight, the same wind blow, raining and blowing on this house wherein we lie, but you and I, we shall not hear, we shall not ever know. Oh, love, I had forgot that we must die. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.